Kule kunaitwa nduri.
Ndori, I heard Ndori in the news recently.
It's a place in Asembo, or Siaya County.
Oh, county ya Siaya.
Yes. The long-serving bodyguard of the Raila family, George Nyangiro Duor. Yes.
Yara adhika muthenya wa Saturday.
Yes.
Bodyguard wa Raila Odinga wa miaka mingi.
Long-serving todo na you had told me family oni aje gutungata tene.
Ajirie gutungata ithe wa Raila.
Yes.
Ahuruka akianjiriria kurangira Raila.
Oh yes. So the president was there, and of course his comrade. Raila has a way. It's your the githurano gia thirari. I grathirikaine. Title ya my brother ne shokaga.
Right honorable.
Yes, my brother, my friend. Yes. Of course, he was supported to go Kenyitero top tier leadership, and of course, starting with the president. Of course, ODM had to be significantly present.
No, they were heavily present.
They were the hosts, so to speak. Yes. Of course, the head of the ODM party, the head administration, had to be there. Yes.
Wakiruku president, former prime minister, na vigogo riu cia giuteti ciothe cia mwena ucio.
Yes.
Na muno wa kiama kia ODM.
Yes.
Mari kuu othe.
Na Sifuna handu aragũthie tũmaũndũ tũigana ona. Tũraga kũ mũgathe tũramuthie the wrong side.
No, actually hari I think andu batatu kanana.
Yes.
Nimendire kuhe president tumbo joto kidogo. Moya Mike hawakumpeleka vizuri.
Yes. Na unajua uzuri wa president ni kwamba akiongea mambo ya kuongea email
ndio aragia mwisho.
So he will give you a comeback and you cannot have the last one. That's the problem. The president will speak last. Kowe oti out anuka.
No nimendire kumuthukiria muthenya.
Yes.
Agikinya kwaria ri. He was not very happy.
Yes. Nginya aracoka kabuku-ini ka history. Wewe na yeye jamaa sisi ulianza. Hebu angalia wapi ile Pentagon ilikuwa nani?
Pentagon yari Raila.
Pentagon ilikuwa Raila, ilikuwa Balala, ilikuwa Nyaga,
Ruto.
Ilikuwa Ruto.
Who is the other one? Mudavadi.
Na DVD. Sasa sisi ndio tulikuwa Pentagon ya ODM. Na huyu sasa ni katibu. Ama yuko opposition gani? Sifuna.
Sifuna ni secretary general.
Ni katibu wa
mwadiki munene.
Yes. Sasa anakuja kutusomea kwa chama ambayo tulianza.
And you know Sifuna never misses his words.
No, he doesn't. Sifuna never misses his words. Actually, very few legislators really enjoy debating with Sifuna on television or on radio.
No, he will give you a serious dress down.
He will dwarf you. He will make you look like you have never gone to school.
And make you look small.
He will make you look like an academic dwarf. But President Ruto has a way. Aramura sasa wewe Sifuna unakuja kuleta kisirani kwa chama ambayo sisi ni founder. Sisi ni founder wa chama ya ODM. Alafu unakuja kuleta kisirani sasa ni kiita founder. Tukae chini tunakutimua kwa chama. And you know, people in ODM know that is true.
Niomare abiriria.
Yes.
Pioneer members.
Actually, go to the mode one Raila Odinga sa William Ruto. Yes. Sasa wewe umekuja chama juzi. Sisi tulipambana bwana. Sisi tumepambana na Kibaki. Sasa hiyo wacha wewe. Hiyo wacha. Sasa unakuja chama tulitengeneza kitambo.
No eti mshemanio members yake abiriria.
Nikiitisha mkutano ya founders wale tuko. Tukae chini tunakutimua. Tunakutimua kwa hii chama. Wewe umekuta chama. Ni kama ukute barabara. No. Isha toka gari iko Tarban. Iko Tamadan.
Na mimi no guthio guo tondu wari.
Yes.
Hey, the former CS Sababu na Mwamba. Hey, ndio nake ari gituro-ini kiu kia giikareirwo ni Sifuna umuthi.
Yes.
Until things went south.
Yes. Way south.
Na githi kahenya.
Ni athire kahenya. You know these political parties, actually every politician main power, they all trail their political allegiance to Kanu. Yes. All the near Kanu. Kanu. And then the political parties madhi de maumake. Kanu. They work a multi-party. Do all the igiri is Kanu. Na kwa iwe karu mea kaigana. Nere kwa moya ugire ogu. Ni moya ugire.
Ndigwiciria ni moi waugite.
No moi. Watwikire Kanu ri. Ekururu miaka igana. And I think so far tukirora
twi mwaka wa 60k ni 62 kana 63.
Yes. Tukirora ri we are somehow still being led by Kanu.
Well, KI deals.
No, you know that was a very philosophical statement to the army ugire. Yes. Todo uma moi to kile Kibaki, who was a Kanu life member. Idea yake imiko. Yes. Tukishoka tukiuka party leader. Wa Kanu.
Yes. Uhuru Kenyatta.
Yes. Wasn't he party leader?
He was party leader.
Yes. Hiyo ni iko miegi. Yes. Leo twe former youth winger. The founders of the youth for Kano 92.
Rumo youth winger.
Yes.
Niwe wegete-ine.
No na Kano we that-ine in the recent past. Ya multi-party. Kano we that-ine. Yes.
Leo after youth wing ni kigacokire gigiuka.
Wacokire gigiuka leo area ODM. But no Kano. Yes.
In another name.
Actually, I don't know much. But I can tell you, onorio giukarugama na hau hangiri no akwe na ikinya riake Kanu-ini.
Chama ya jogo
bataunguza miaka 100. Ona mwathemo wake Fakiri neugire Kanu eigana ki mugumo ngiurenga ki
na kanyui
no ngenake akiuga kugeria kuinainia Kanu ri itakugeria kuinainia mugumo we niwe ukorwo urainaina
wiciragia ni mugumo urainaina.
Don't want to use the exact words.
If you know, you know.
Yes. Oh, these people are all in the same lineage. No, you are President Ruto acho ko hare ha ODM. Sisi ni waanzilishi. Kwa hivyo sasa hii unaiona na Wilbaro unafikiria sijui mambo ya ODM.
Na ODM mwana wandegeretie.
Yes.
Na ndĩreciria mwaka ũyũ nĩrĩ ODM ĩrakinyia mĩaka 20.
Yes. No, ODM has is very been stable.
Nĩmageretie gũkorwo me consistent mĩaka 20 rĩ.
Yes.
No kũgeria.
Tondũ nĩmera wĩka gĩthurano.
Kwĩrĩ mararĩ na grassroots elections thikari mararĩkirie.
Tũrauga rĩu ĩno NDC. National delegates area twĩrĩga ya gatharinĩ ya Men in Black.
Acha ndigwĩciria nĩ ĩrĩ gũyo.
Tondũ ĩyo nĩ ĩrĩ warĩ mwari.
Ĩyo kaingĩ ĩkagwo gĩthurano kĩ hakuhĩ gwĩkĩka general election. Nĩgetha kĩama gĩgĩkorwo na flag bearer. Na flag bearer wao nĩ makĩmũĩ.
Nĩ mamũĩ. Na andũ arĩa arenda makorwo meiturwo-inĩ nao nĩ akoragwo amoi. NDC ya ODM rĩ ũngĩona Raila atarokĩra gũgĩthika ũndũ kwaja hũra nona ũrĩa mũtrafiki hũraga ona V8 hendo mũtrafiki ona V8 wrong side akeoithia kĩ
thimũ
Rugo rugo raitheka oko ne kaundu araugite geku
no bururi uria ndiwonete ri kiama ni kiega no kiama gicokaga gukobobana kioya thirikari. The moment you get to power,
no power now splits the party. Makauga riu acio ko ni githirani maraturehera ri turai kiama ganai now
mwe power ri you know now you have a cake to share. Kiaga kugayanwo wega ri that is where the split begins.
Then in the next election, I remember for makauga atiriri matigire mama mauma
mama mau
matigire etha ndutura handu arutara huthira migathike ha
kuma tu gutire kiama kire kiaruma ithurano igiri.
Hapana.
Acha.
Well, Kanu has not been tried within the new democracy.
But where is it today?
But look at yes. Uishoka uyuka is TNA.
It's TNA 2013.
The National Alliance. Yes.
Na yekiria.
Kiria.
Uishoka ikimaji na URP.
Yes.
2017.
Yes.
Riu etuka Jubilee.
Etuka Jubilee. Jubilee yona ngani medirie nyumba. Kayari ya mukomboro.
Yale ya mukomboro na Nigeria kumiona gatheti-ini party ya goko kwa auction.
Goko kwa kwanirwo munara. Kuro ngengere.
Iyo agithii uguo.
Jubilee na agithii uguo. Riu twe UDA. UDA.
Currently.
UDA na kwa andu ma kujire ciama ciao.
Makiingira
ku.
Na kuringana haria turugameire tha ici ri.
Yes.
Gutire na dalili o yothe ya kuonania.
Yes.
Ati mbaru ni gakorwo ikiuga.
Yes.
2027.
Koguo no magaikara thiringi. Muigwe ru kaundu kagi.
They have to.
Yes.
Ndiro na mbaru igicoka iruruma ringi.
Yes. No kaigwa ru no mahothe kiama gitari giathana haria iguru no mahoe Sifuna.
Sifuna.
Sifuna itheti ya Ephraim.
Ya Ephraim ka ni ya muite.
Ni ya muite. No Ephraim anahetuka nayo.
Anaingira na Sifuna.
Ni meri no ndiako andu aingi. Kiama no Sifuna andu matonya ki
Sifuna
Mary. So you can take this to the bank. Negira kala munyandike hau guthoni yandike ati twathie githurano gia
2027.
Yes.
Itie kuraihu is 2 years away.
Yes. Mundu wina idea cia kiama kiingiria kaundu kau ajia kwarira
kana kama gotoikaine.
Yes.
Gioya karibura andu wega.
Yes. Na slogan ikuria. Ndigenda ndimuririkanie ria irarite 2022.
2022 nirio turiga githurano.
Urauga wo UDA. Wacha ukiatia. Kazi kwanza. You get my point now. You get it? You get it? You get it? UDA.
Kazi kwanza.
Kazi kwanza. Leu kau nuoro na uriganeiruo. And you are a very informed Kenyan.
Kwa yamadi kuririkanaga.
Leu ni ufati riu utigena horo cio wa kuririkana. We familiarize na na kiundu kiria goka next year. Next year
2026. Umenya riu campaign kaja 2026 uguo slowly.
Yes.
Tukiingira 27.
Na umenya wa munyoro nake ni ugukana ki?
Umenya we araugire ni May. Is next month.
Yes.
Nirio araigirira.
Tondu ni arerire kuna.
Urie na bathi ene.
Oya thirio hiki na ki.
ngari ene
acienta ene tondu macukithirio koimbiri
na maigirwo handu hatari stage
maigirwo koimbi mieu-ini makiuria ha mwatuiga ri tutikuhurwo ni mikora magirwo kwambatira yo mumire rami
mundu kia kirima ri ni mukuona rami
mundu kia kirima ni mukuona micii riu nake ni undu wa kwirire uiyia wake kunari mi nake na ki
na giake.
So expect a lot of the people who have political mindsets expect to make some hay in the next 1.5 years. Actually next year ni wakorwo niki kiraria
na ciamba iria igakorwo ire ng'u githurano-ini.
Of course ODM will be somewhere in there. You know they are teraha
no ndakwira their true test will come. Akorwo ni makoya wathani kigeranio kiao gitire giakinya
no turanie kiuria kiria gibata mu uria wigagwo oe wathani ri ni awendaga
ngarigo
agicuna rukomo ucio ni muti wa mbere no tuguthie na mbere tukirunga ici na ki
kaingĩ nyingĩ ĩra 11 na 55